So as the leaves change and the air turns crisp, it is that time of year again, fall cleaning. I'm so excited to share my fall home refresh with you guys this year. Super excited to be adding some warm tones into the living room. So I'm going to give you guys some inspiration for decorating. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Make sure you subscribe. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. I hope you all enjoyed the video. So whenever I'm decorating, it's important for me to start with a clean slate. So I've already removed all of the summer decor. The first thing I'm going to start doing is cleaning off the coffee table. I've had this table for such a long time, probably about 6 or 7 years. Absolutely love it. It is from Wayfair, so I'll link it below along with everything else that I'll be sharing throughout the video. So now I'm gonna vacuum over the floors. I noticed some crumbs on the rug, like some chips or something, probably from where the boys have been snacking in here. And I know a lot of you probably think that we don't use this space or that it's mainly just for show, but no, we get really good use out of this room. We have game night in here, the boys are always in here, and so many of you always ask, how is your house so clean? Do your boys not make messes? Y'all, they definitely make messes, but to make my life easier, I always like to try to use products and items that are really easy to clean. Like with this sofa, it's actually a Krypton fabric, so it's so easy to clean. So as you guys can see, there's some stains on the sofa, and I'm just gonna use this awesome spray and a microfiber towel, and the stains come right out. So I just like to use stuff like that because it makes my life so much easier. But yes, they definitely make messes. They have their toys everywhere, but I am always cleaning, always making sure that our space stays really nice and clean because it just really helps my mental health. So daily cleaning is always necessary for us, and I'll be doing an updated daily cleaning routine for you guys, just to give you guys some tips on what I like to clean daily. So now we're gonna work on bringing some of those warm tones into the space, tones that are going to be perfect for the fall season. So the first thing I'm adding are these pillows. I got the pillow cover and insert from Amazon, and these pillow covers I actually got from Etsy, and I kind of wanted to do like a mix and match type of look here. So I do have 2 different ones, but the colors are very fall-like, and I definitely just wanted to do something a little bit different than last year. Last year my fall decor was more on the neutral side, so I really wanted to bring in some of these warm tones. And I love these cute little pumpkins. These are so adorable. So I got them from different places. I got the white one from Pottery Barn, and then the orange one and the green one is from Kirkland. So I will have all of that linked below, but they are just so cute. I love the way they look on the sofa. So I'm also adding the same pillows to the other sofa as well.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed, deep and abiding. Liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and beyond your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall.
Now Now we're gonna start on the coffee table, and I really wanted a floral arrangement that was going to make a statement. So I got the vase from Wayfair and the floral stems from Pottery Barn, and I absolutely love them. They are so gorgeous. I love the different kind of jewel tones in them. So yeah, really just beautiful, beautiful colors that I don't think I've ever really incorporated into my fall home decor. So I was really excited about doing this. So I think I added in about 4 or 5 stems, and now I'm just going to add a few things to the coffee table to just really pull the entire look together.
Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you.
Now we need to decorate the sideboard credenza. I wasn't really sure what I was going to do with this. I wanted to do something a little bit different, but I didn't really want to buy any new decor. A lot of the stuff that I'm using is stuff that I've had from previous years because I'm just not trying to, you know, have a whole lot of stuff in storage. I've decluttered so much stuff and it just feels so good. So I definitely wanted to reuse some things that I used last year, like these candles I used last year and also these pumpkins. And I thought about leaving these same floral pieces up here, but it really wasn't giving me what I needed it to give. So I switched them out and I just thought that looked so much better. And those are actually from At Home, and I just think this turned out really nice. It's simple, but it just goes with the entire space. Now we're gonna add a few pumpkins to the fireplace. These little wooden pumpkins I believe I got from Target, I want to say, and these little statue pumpkins are from At Home. Now we're gonna spruce up the foyer a little bit because it still has all the summer vibes going on. So I'm starting by cleaning this mirror, and I also have the mirror linked below because I always get a lot of questions about it. And we are basically just going to switch things out here, still going for the same. And we're basically just gonna switch things out here, going for the same look and style, but just adding more of those warm, cozy fall vibes. And if you guys are interested in the console table, it is also from Wayfair. As you can tell, it matches the coffee table. So I'm just cleaning it off. You guys know I love the spray way cleaner. It is the best. It is going to give you streak-free glass and mirror every single time. So I'm starting off with a coffee table book just to add a little bit of height to the vase, and the vase I believe is from CB2. Again, everything will be linked below. These floral stems are from Pottery Barn, and I just thought adding in the kind of golden yellow would be a nice contrast with the brown tones in the living room. And for the entryway table, I just love to use books and vases, accent pieces for the season. So the little small floral arrangement and the pumpkin is from Target. I love all the cozy, warm fall vibes, and hopefully this video gave you some inspiration on how to spruce up your space for the fall season. So this is part 1. Stay tuned because I'll have another video coming out soon on decorating the dining room, the kitchen and the play area. So yeah, that will be coming up really soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and you like the video and leave a comment below. And as always, I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye.